If you are looking for a clean, modern frame that will look good wherever you put it, this frame from American Flat is a great one. It is super simple, as you can see, which is what I like about it, as it really fits in a variety of spaces. I got it in black, you can get it in different colors, and you can hang it horizontally or vertically. It can also be set on a surface horizontally. To open it up, you just pull up all the little black wedges. It has a really sturdy back that should hold up really well, and it is glass in the interior. I used it for a piece of my daughter's art. I just love how it came out. It looks great in her space and really is a lovely frame. Simple and gets a job done.